Have you ever had a brilliant idea for an app or a website? You can picture it perfectly in your head. But then you hit a wall. You realize you do not know how to code. In the past, you had two bad options. One, spend months or years learning difficult programming languages. Or two, pay an agency tens of thousands of dollars to build it for you. But what if there was a third option? What if you could build apps and websites visually, just like you build a slide deck or design a flyer? This is where Bubble comes in. Bubble is a visual programming platform. It lets you create interactive multi user apps for desktop and mobile browsers. It is not just a website builder, it is an app builder as well. Think of it like digital Legos. You have a toolbox full of elements: buttons, text, maps, images, videos. You simply drag them onto the screen and drop them where you want. But an app needs to do things, right? That is where workflows come in. You speak to Bubble in plain English. You say, when the user clicks this button, send them an email. And it just works. So, who uses Bubble? Honestly, everyone. But it is especially powerful for three types of people. First, entrepreneurs and startup founders. Instead of hiring expensive developers, founders can build their own minimum viable product, or MVP, in weeks, not months. You can launch, get users, and get funded, all on your own. Second, business owners. Maybe you need a custom tool to track inventory, manage clients, or organize your team. Off the shelf software does not fit? Build your own custom solution with Bubble. Third, freelancers and agencies. You can build apps for clients faster and cheaper than traditional coding shops. This creates a huge competitive advantage for your career. Now, you might be thinking, can I really build complex stuff? The answer is yes. Let us look at a few examples of what is possible. You could build the next Facebook or LinkedIn. Users can sign up, create profiles, post content, follow each other, and message privately. Bubble handles all that data securely. You could build a two-sided marketplace like Airbnb or Uber. One side lists homes or rides, the other side books them. You can even process credit card payments directly in the app. Or build a SaaS product, software as a service. Charge users a monthly subscription to use your tool. Many successful companies run entirely on Bubble today. The best part? It is free to start learning and using. So, do not let the lack of coding skills stop you anymore. Your idea deserves to be built. Start building today. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more no-code guides. See you next time.